welcome back to the Hebert house. Today I have a really fun 4th of July DIY video. I have put together 3 different DIYs for you just for the 4th of July, and I'm going to show you how to do them and how I use them to decorate in my house. Before we get started, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified when we post videos. I'm Lelia, the mom here at the Hebert house, and I would love for you to come along with us on our journey. So let's get started on the DIYs. So the first thing you're gonna need is black beans. These are gonna serve as your navy color. Navy beans, which are actually white, and red small kidney beans. And these are the 3 types of beans that I used to make our flag decoration. Just a disclaimer, you will have to sweep later. Okay, for the next DIY, what you're gonna need is just some ribbon and twine, double stick tape, fabric scissors, and an old vegetable can and some old candles. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how to make our scrap banner. So you're going to want some different color ribbons, and I just got this at Hobby Lobby when it was 50% off. And I've got some blues, some reds, just different colors and patterns. You're going to need fabric. I got 1/8 of a yard each of these fabrics, and I just picked out ones that were complementary, but I didn't want them to be too similar because you want it to have a depth of the pattern. So those are the fabrics that I chose, again, at Hobby Lobby. You're gonna want a strand of green or white Christmas lights. I do not have white, so I'm gonna do green, and I'll just make sure I get the fabric close together. And then you're also gonna need a really good pair of fabric scissors. Obviously, these are my fabric scissors, and I made sure that my family knew not to use them on anything else. So that's all you're gonna need, and we're gonna get started. Alright, all done cutting the scraps, and this is literally probably what takes the longest on this. Now we're ready to tie them. put these on in any certain order. I wanted the order of the fabric to be sporadic, so I just kind of chose as I went through what color I wanted to use next. Alright, that's it from my 4th of July DIY video. I hope that you are able to make some of these crafts and you have fun doing it. Come back and see us soon. God bless.